Cosmo. Say hello to the camera. Anyway, so this is my dog Cosmo, if you didn't already know. But anyway, let's do this. So I have how many tricks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm pretty sure I can't do 10 tricks, but we'll see. Anyway, so Cosmo, come back. Here, heel, heel, come here. Heel, heel. So no, here, sit. Good boy. High five. No, one hand. High five. No, high five. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Again. Yeah, good boy. Here you go. Stay. Okay, so now we're going to do shake. Shake. Other hand. Good boy. Oh, you're so cute. Right, so now we're going to do a bit of a loud one. Okay, Cosmo, look up. Speak. Good boy. Going up to, no. Don't hit him. As you can see there. Okay, now he's going to count. Sadly, he's not that much of an intelligent dog and can only count up to 5, but we'll see how we go. Cosmo, count 1. No, count 1. Count 1. Cosmo, count 1. Okay. Count 2. Count 3. No. Count 4. No more. Count 5. Good boy. Here you go. He's such a cutie. Look at you. Okay. And now we're going to do a few dancing tricks. Cosmo, 12. 12. 12. 12. Good boy. It's a baby. You're dizzy now, aren't you? Oh. Now he's going to actually dance. Cosmo, dance. No, dance. Yeah, good boy. Such a good boy. Aren't you? Yeah. Alright. Okay, Cosmo. Okay, stay. Sit up. No, sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up.
Oh, good boy.
It's not the kind of sit up you do, otherwise you'd be ripped. Literally. Okay, so, what else can you do? Oh, right. Mum, I need you for this because, no, we'll skip that one and do it till last because that's probably the best trick. Cosmo, come here. Okay, sit, lay, drop. Really? Drop. Play dead. Stay. Finish.
Good boy. Good
That's a boy. What else can you do? Alright, let's just do the 2 simple ones. Sit, right, stay. There we go. Alright, so Mum, now I need you for this one because my hands are too small. So Cosmo can actually jump through hoops. So Mum, okay, Mum, your hands need, okay. No, Mum, your hands need to be together. Okay, let me try. Cosmo, sit. Actually, no, we'll do it this way. Can you move? I don't need to do it this time. Okay, so sit, stay. Jump through the hoop. Jump, Cosmo. Jump.
Cosmo, jump.
For God's sake.
Alright. dead for that one. Oh, you're a good boy, Cosmo. But a beautiful boy.
Just for the video with me, you can have this one. Here you go. Good boy. Alright, that's right. Oh, starting up. I will have lost him, so anyway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you all later. Bye! Say goodbye, Cosmo. Say goodbye. You just winked at me. What's that meant to mean? Anyway, I'll see you all later. Bye!